Ari.
And Danny here.
So last February for my birthday, my husbando Danny, aka Music on the D-Lo here on YouTube, got us tickets for Distant Worlds, and it's finally happening tonight! At first I said no cosplay, and then I said only wigs, and now here we are. So we're dressing up as Lunafreya and Noctis from Final Fantasy 15. Mine's a little bit more of a inspired concert-going look. Danny's actually wearing his old man Noct suit. So nothing too crazy. Are you excited, Rar?
I'm very excited, Ari.
So I'm already done with my makeup, but clearly we have a boy here who needs to become a prince. Or a king, actually.
King.
Wow. So we're gonna do I do my husband's cosplay makeup video. Woo. Okay, well since he is the most thrilled, let's get started. Alright, so first is first. Primer. Do you know what this is?
I know it primes the skin.
Very good.
It goes first.
I'm gonna squirt some on my finger here.
Okay.
It's kind of squishy.
It is.
We're gonna fill in all of your pores and make you look super smooth and super beautiful.
That's my only dream.
Have you ever worn primer before, Rock?
Maybe once, but if it was once, it was because of you.
Probably.
I didn't do it because I wanted to.
I mean, are you doing this because you want to?
I'm doing this because I love you very much.
Step 2, BB cream. So Danny actually wears BB cream quite frequently for his own YouTube channel and various events that we go to and whatnot. So I'm gonna let him take the reins here.
I am using Dr. Jart's BB cream. This is how they do it, right? You do that and then you bring it back. Is that how they do it in the makeup tutorials? Yeah? Okay. You gotta put a little bit on your finger first, okay? Just like that, okay? And then you take it in your other finger, this is important, and you pat it on like in little dots.
He has a little mirror here.
Yes, I have a little mirror. I'm not as freewheeling as I appear to be.
Why do you like BB cream, Rock?
You know, I like it because it's like the quickest way to get everything looking good, and it's like you don't have to, it's not a high effort thing. I feel like a lot of guys, when they think about makeup, they think about their girlfriends and stuff doing makeup for like, you know, an hour.
An hour?
Or
No, I'm kidding.
I think that they get this idea in their minds that like makeup is this like big to-do. And really, if you just use BB cream, it makes you look like a lot better.
Yeah, like more evened out.
Yeah, like especially like with my skin, I get a lot of red in my skin, and it really just kind of helps even everything out a bit.
And it's nice and lightweight. It's
Yes.
not quite as heavy as a foundation.
So I think if more guys could kind of, you know, chill out and stop thinking like, oh, it's a girl thing to do. It's like they'd be happy with the results because guess what? They'd look a heck of a lot better. You know? And they're
Well, and you like BB cream too because it's also part skincare. Like it has the SPF.
Yeah. What do you think, Pi?
Looks good.
Okay.
So, what is step 3?
Step 3 is powder. See, I know things. So we're using Revlon Photo Ready Translucent Finisher. Okay?
Yay.
Okay? And we're using a brush, a big fluffy brush.
What does powder do?
Powder just kind of sets it all into place. Lets everything, you know, it makes you far less shiny.
Yeah.
That's what it does.
Good. Look at you. You're such a pro.
You know, all those hours of watching you watch YouTube videos, that's where I get it.
Alright, before we finish off the face, we are gonna go right into the eyes. So first we're gonna do some eye primer, of course. It is weird because I've only done your makeup once before for Noctis. And I am not a makeup artist. So putting makeup on anyone, especially your husband, is pretty interesting.
But I imagine it's probably like far less nerve-wracking than putting makeup on somebody else, like who's not your husband. That's the question. Is it more or less nerve-wracking?
More. Because you could get mad at me.
I could never.
He says that.
I say that now, right? Do you ever think that Lunafreya does the real Noctis makeup?
No. I think he's just a precious, pretty boy.
I like that there was no hesitation with that answer.
She is a princess and oracle. Who has time for that?
That's a good point.
She's got dogs to walk.
But do you think she's walking her own dogs?
Yes.
Okay.
She loves those dogs.
Yeah, okay.
For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the chocolate palette. We're going to try to keep it neutral for Noctis.
N for N.
First, I'm going to map out the crease. And it's funny because your eyes are such a different shape to mine. So this will be fun.
Is that going to make it easier or harder?
Harder. For sure. Plus, I don't put makeup on other people, so this is already hard. I'm going to try to keep the eyeshadow pretty light. I don't want to do too heavy of a hand. We'll put some deepness out at the outer corner. Because he has very, upturned, pretty eyes.
Who, me or not?
Noctis.
Oh, not me.
Oh, yours are pretty.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Of all Final Fantasy boys, which one's your favorite? Who's your boo?
Who's my boo? I mean, Noct's pretty cool.
Stop blinking!
I always thought he was really cool, and I think I like how moody he is, but at the same time he's also kind of emo. Prompto's really cool. I think I always think that one of my favorite people is Edgar from Final Fantasy VI.
He's your boo?
I think so. I mean, because Final Fantasy VI is my favorite game, so I feel like I almost have to pick somebody from 6.
Favorite Final Fantasy girl? I think I know the answer.
Probably Terra, especially.
What?
What?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, who is it really then?
It's Iris.
Oh, it is. No, she's right. She's right. Ari was so...
Lies.
Okay, no. Ari was so mad at me. I was all about that Iris Noctis ship. Because I thought they were so cute together, and she was so cute and so obviously in love with him. And Ari was like, how dare you? Ari was like, no, it's all about Luna and Noct.
And you have to admit that journal's pretty cute.
Yeah, no, I mean, it is. You get to see Iris together with Noct. And, she's the best. And she has a giant Moogle that's really cute.
Moogles are your thing.
Yes, I love Moogles.
Okay, we are gonna go a little hardcore into this peachy color. Because they all have that super funny, tired under eye.
I mean, he is a king, you know? I mean, I guess they're constantly battling. They're constantly awake, especially in my game. I don't let those guys sleep for, days.
I'm just cleaning up some overblending with this white shadow.
Okay, who are your favorite Final Fantasy boy and girl?
Is there only one?
I feel like that'd be tough for you. I mean, because you obviously love so many of them.
Ooh, I honestly think my favorite Final Fantasy boy has to be Noctis.
Really?
I just adore him. to such a level.
So you're telling me it's not Waka?
No.
Waka Waka.
No, it's not Waka. Although, I love me some Gibble.
Yeah.
I mean. But also, my first Final Fantasy boy crush was Reno from Final Fantasy VII.
Oh.
Okay, favorite Final Fantasy song.
That's tough. See, now she's turning it around on me, because that's what I do.
I told you I had some really hard questions.
They're hard. I think probably like the Chocobo theme or the Moogle theme are probably like my top ones. I mean, if I had to like then start like really picking other things, like I really like, you know, like Noctis's theme from 15 is great.
Yeah, that one's beautiful.
The Promise from Final Fantasy 13, I love that tune. That's a great tune.
I think my favorite Final Fantasy song
Yeah, what's your favorite?
will always be Isn't It Wonderful from 10.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Well, we did get married to it.
Yes.
We're not gonna make your brows quite as angled as Noctis, since your brow hair is quite dark and I'm not covering it.
Maybe I'll just go out with this look with this hair.
Talk about an emo boy.
Oh crap. Neither of us said brow time. Brow time. Oh dear.
Alright, now for the hard part.
Yes.
Liquid eyeliner.
Oh god. I you know.
Did you ever think in your life you would wear liquid eyeliner?
No.
Or eyeliner of any kind?
No, I didn't think I would ever wear eyeliner. Ever.
Did you think you would marry a cosplayer?
I didn't know who I'd marry. It was a pleasant surprise.
Alright, should we attempt?
We can try.
We're gonna try.
Yeah, we're gonna try. Okay, what do I need to do?
Maybe just look down for me. And don't blink. Don't blink.
I'm sorry. Did that not work? Is it bad? It's bad, isn't it?
No, it's fine.
This is why we have makeup remover, right?
Close your eye. So weird putting eyeliner on somebody else. You'd think it'd actually be easier because you can like see what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm so used to doing my own. This is really difficult.
Sorry.
Stop moving your face.
I'm really trying.
Stop moving your face. Why don't you tell me when you're gonna blink? You didn't tell me!
I'm so concentrating on trying to not blink. And so trying to warn you when I'm going to blink is not gonna work. I don't know how you would do this on your own, like on yourself. I could not like do that.
Practice. If you really want to test your makeup talents, try putting eyeliner on your husband.
Are there any tricks to this, like, that I can do to make it easier?
Stop blinking. Other side. It's gonna be what it is.
Here's a question for you. Does Noct actually have, like, eyeliner and makeup on?
I don't think so. I think Square Enix has an aesthetic to which he is.
Yeah.
But makeup for cosplay really helps, especially for photographs, because you can really change your face and really enhance those features that he has.
That makes sense. How are we doing?
Eyeliner's as good as it's gonna get.
To be fair, it is nothing about her. It's entirely me. I think that about 90% of being a model is just being like okay with being poked in the eye.
I'm gonna go in with a little bit more peach eyeshadow just to help us get the overall effect. This is definitely not the best makeup I've ever done.
Well, you're also doing it on somebody who's never has their makeup done.
Also, too, we have to keep in mind, he's gonna be in a wig,
Mm-hmm.
which changes everything.
Changes everything.
As far as the eyes go, though, I think we are almost done. I won't put mascara on you today.
Okay. That's probably good. I don't know that I could handle that.
Since you're not gonna wear mascara,
Mm-hmm.
I am gonna put you in highlighter.
Ooh. Highlighting.
I won't go quite as ham as I went on myself.
As ham.
Maybe.
Is it the Rihanna one?
It is.
Oh.
He knows his
See,
stuff.
I know. I've been in a Sephora once or twice.
Only once or twice.
Only once or twice.
To finish off the look, we're gonna go to the lips. We're gonna go in with this NYX matte lip cream. So it'll be really soft and kind of movable, not like a true liquid lip, so that you're a little more comfortable since you're a makeup newbie. Part your lips, please. No, part not kissy face. This will also just help cancel out your lip color, since Noct has very neutral lips.
How is doing somebody else's lips?
Easy
That's-
compared to the eyes. All right.
Hello.
All right. Let's get this wig on this boy.
Let's do it.
Wig is on.
It's on.
Time for the big reveal.
Big reveal.
All right, take a look.
Oh, look at me. Look at this surprise. It's a John Wick cosplay.
Wow, what do you think?
I think it's great. I think it's I will say I think the wig really ties everything together. I think that had I just went outside without the wig on, I'd look crazier without the wig on. So tell us in the comments below, have I gone from drab to fab?
Is this an episode of Queer Eye? Not quite as emotionally wonderful. as
No.
Queer Eye.
No.
All right, King of Insomnia.
I'm the king.
Let's go to Distant World.
Let's go.
If you like this look of our dear old Noctis, then let us know in the comments, and maybe we will do this again sometime.
I guess I would do it again.
And with that, we better head off to Distant Worlds, but we'll see you guys again very soon. Bye! Bye!
Yeah, I think
That's all I
I think
got.
that'll work. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.